naturally.co, cooking with Tara. Today I'm gonna make a simple Brussels sprout salad with a toasted sesame seed dressing. So I'm actually gonna make my dressing first. I already toasted my sesame seeds. I'm gonna just slide that in the blender. The little lemon zest, the lemon juice. I'm gonna blend this for a little bit. Let my seeds go everywhere. It is one of those days today. It's okay. Just slide that back in. Let's do this again. I'm going to add my honey, garlic, my vinegar. Just going to straight this back down the sides because I sprinted anywhere. You can use a food processor too if you don't have a blender. I decided to use my blender because my food processor broke. So, add that a little bit so it multiplies a little. Now I'm going to slowly incorporate my oil. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Let's see how much I need. A little bit of salt, some pepper. You can do this to taste depending on how much you like. Okay, now we're going to move over. I've already cut my Brussels sprouts up. I already chopped my mint, my carrots. Nice little tossed, separated. And then my peppers. My serrano pepper. I'm only using about a half. I'm not too big on them. My husband loves them. That's why I add them to there just a little bit. Give a nice little kick. Then I'm going to take my dressing. Slide some of this out of the way here. And then I'm going to pour it over. I like to pour a little bit, toss it, and then do the rest so it gets a nice even coat. Okay, the rest. Okay, and this is our dinner tonight. Just a simple Brussels sprout salad with a toasted sesame seed vinaigrette. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do.